What does on point mean in a quilt pattern? Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, portaging, and embroidery. So sometimes when you see a quilt pattern or a quilt layout, you'll see the term on point. And what does that mean? Well, often in traditional quilt patterns, our blocks are laid out square and they're laid out in rows and laid out in columns. And they're laid out square like this. But on point simply means that the blocks are laid out on the diagonal, so that instead of being squares when you look at the quilt, they are diamonds. And you can get some really fun patterns and effects from doing this. So here you can see is a 9-patch quilt just laid out in the traditional way, and then here's a 9-patch quilt with the blocks laid out on point. So we can see that even though it's the same basic block, it does change the whole look of the quilt. So if you want to know how to assemble a quilt when the blocks are laid out on point, because it is a little bit different, I do have a full video tutorial with details about how to put that block together. But the next time you're playing with quilt blocks and you want to lay out your own blocks in an unusual way, try turning them on point and see what happens. You might get a nice surprise. For information about this and other quilt tutorials, patterns, and inspiration, check out my website, epidastudio.com.